from hell with love. If you must know much to do, let's start the new talk show. We'll travel the web and we learn. We must watch from hell with love. I'll see VTubers, familiar faces, and smile for your amusement. But oh, you are so wholesome to me. Still, should I run? Maybe hide. Can you let my love grow for this show? Please don't say no. To hell I'd go to see, and then I suddenly see you stream again. Pounding heart is true. I'd wait for you from hell with love.